Are you ready to do something very cool? We will take care of the front page, and you will see that WordPress Gutenberg blocks plus WooCommerce plus PineGrow, it's really a very powerful combination. Everything becomes very easy to do. But first, this was just a teaser to keep you from falling asleep. So first let's take a look at how our front page is set up. So in the settings we are using static front page and it's set to be front page. Creative naming. So anyway, here in pages, there it is, front page. And if we open it, it's just nothing yet. Nothing is there. Okay, so that's our starting point. So now we are here on the front page, and that's a template that will be used as a front page. So first we have to activate WordPress on this. This doesn't show up always, but if it does and everything is already set up, just say save and you're ready to go. And then page settings. So let's close this. So what we will do, this will be exported as, because the name is frontpage.html, it will be exported as front/page.php, and that's actually the template name that WordPress is using to display the front page. So no need to change the name here. And again, this is the child page that uses the master page index.html. Index.html is default master page of this project. So okay, nothing special to do here. Okay, so let's make a plan. What we will do, how to implement this kind of content that doesn't fit into posts or pages, is just there, and a lot of kind of content types. So what we will do is we will implement each of these sections as a custom Gutenberg block, including the sections that show WooCommerce products. So we'll create a bunch of custom WooCommerce blocks, Gutenberg blocks, with WooCommerce or just like plain WordPress features, and use that to build our front page. So to make things kind of more clear, we will duplicate this page. Let's save it, and we will save it as, we'll call it blocks. And this will be our home for all our custom blocks. And in page settings, because we won't export this page as a whole, we just will need it kind of as a factory for our blocks, so we will say do not export this page. Okay, so we don't need blocks PHP to be exported. So that's why we say this, don't export. And then let's go back to front page. And here all that we need, so we have the main, and then let's click Alt and collapse, so everything is collapsed. So we can delete this content because we have it on blocks HTML. And remember, we have to say that the main is site content. Here it is. So the rest of the page will be controlled by the master page. And then in site content, for the front page, what we want is simply to display the content of this page. And the content of the page will contain our blocks. So let's go here. This is the front page. And what we want to achieve is being able to add our custom blocks here, and then the front page should simply display the content. And we can do that easily, so we just need a kind of wrapper. Let's just add a div, good old div. It went up, so we put it inside the main, and then select the div, and we need to create the loop, like the standard WordPress loop, and that's show posts. So let me show you the code. So we have, you will recognize it, that's just a normal loop, WordPress loop. And then in this div we want to show post content. That's all that is required there. Now, because the main content of the front page will be controlled by the content of the front page of the front page. Okay, so now let's export the theme and go here and check. Okay, let's go to the home, and what do we get? No, it's just nothing. So let's try something. Say hello. And the hello showed up. So perfect. That's just what we wanted. And now we are ready to start creating blocks based on our front page design. And then we'll be able to add these blocks and add them to the front page. So that's the plan. Let's continue in the next video.